Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk on the Amazon Prime released series Patal Lok. So without wasting time, let's jump directly into it. Plot revolves around attempted murder of famous journalist Niraj Kavi and four criminals who got Supari to kill him, but they could not kill him and are caught by Delhi police. The case is handed over to a wrong side of the track cop as he starts digging. Patal Lok is fashioned as a criminal thriller come police procedural set mainly in Delhi, spinning off into several threads, some really solid, a few comparatively weak but managing to keep its hold on us. The narrative of the plot is also filled with a lot of Indian mythology, which gives it another interesting angle. But above everything, the characters of Patal Lok remain the best thing of this series. Inspector Hathiram Chowdhury's character alone is enough for you to sit through the 9 highly enjoyable episodes. He is intense, frustrated, moody, and at several moments out of control. Chowdhury's character at times makes our heart bleed for him, spurring him on as he races through the underworld of violence and lies. He is a senior to a young officer too, sometimes jealousy of his senior's abilities to succeed, yet sometimes the only pillar of support for the young man. The two main protagonists are actors at the top of their trade. They are intense, extremely relatable, driven by their own agendas and fueled with backstories that are rich. All the other characters as well have been well written, with deep backstories that make you understand their arc. Series is gripping though. You may find some loose moments or some detailing, but tells you story about family, children, criminals and their making, police officer's life and his dilemma, corruption in system, media houses and obvious political colors which we all are well of. What is so special about this series is that it ends up making you love the characters you were supposed to hate in the first place. The story is a good one. I'd not say spectacular, but the performance of the actors make it an absolute smasher. Patal Lok isn't one you can afford to miss. This is a series that is not afraid to explore the everyday taboos and takes a bold graphical approach to addressing issues such as caste, bigotry, transgender plights, and even sexual violence. And